Hello, my name is José Antonio Garcia, and I am the head of the tax department in Lexidy Legal Tech Boutique. So, you're considering moving to Spain, and you may have heard that Spanish taxes can be quite taxing. Luckily, there are some attractive options for you. Regular Spanish tax residents have to pay taxes on their worldwide income. This can go up to a progressive tax rate of 52% depending on the region. Besides, they have to pay taxes on their worldwide wealth, and they have to report to the Spanish tax authorities on their goods and assets located outside of Spain. I can hear what you're thinking, but Jose, you said this was going to be an attractive option for me. Yes, you're right. That option is called the Beckham Law Regime. But what is the Beckham Law and how can it help with it? The Beckham Law, named after England's best football icon and famous fashion icon, David Beckham, is actually called the Special Expatriate Tax Regime, and it applies to expats who arrive in Spain. We Spaniards like to call it the Beckham Law Regime because he was the first one to be profited from it. And you can too. All you need is that you arrive in Spain as a consequence of a new employment contract by a Spanish company, or you arrive in Spain from a relocation letter from your current employer into a Spanish company, or that you're appointed director in a Spanish company in which you own, directly or indirectly, less than 25%. Also, you must not have been a Spanish tax resident in the last 10 tax years. Under this regime, you will only have to pay taxes on your worldwide employment income and your Spanish-sourced other kind of income, such as rental income. Also, you will only have to pay a flat 24% tax rate on your first 600,000 euros of taxable income at a 47% above that. So you can say it's a really beneficial regime. Also, you will avoid other requirements, such as declaring your goods and assets abroad. And also, the wealth tax only applies if you exceed certain regional thresholds. So this means that you will not have to pay taxes on the dividends you may receive from your investment funds outside of Spain. And you will not have to pay capital gains tax on the capital gain you have from the sale of shares located outside of Spain. Besides, you won't have to pay wealth tax on properties you have outside of Spain. The Special Expatriate Tax Regime will start as soon as you arrive in Spain, and it will last for 5 years. However, note that this regime doesn't apply to your spouse or your partner. So it's very important that you apply for the Special Expatriate Tax Regime in the following 6 months since your registration before the Spanish Social Security system. So what can we do for you? Click in the link below. We can arrange a call with me or one of my colleagues in Lexidy Legal Tech Boutique. And once we have this chat, we will be able to discuss if you meet the requirements to apply for the Beckham Law Regime, or what can we do so you can meet them. And that's it. Contact us today by clicking the link below.